Emirates Airbus first A350 takeoff for Edinburgh.
This aircraft is registered as A6EXA. It was delivered new to Emirates on the 25th of November 2024. Emirates ordered 65 A350-900s. And right now only 2 A350s are delivered. Taking off from runway 30R. This runway is 4,351 meters and 14,275 feet long. Engine type, Rolls-Royce Trent XWB. My valued viewer, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. That was TOGA Takeoff smiling face with heart-shaped eyes. Have a great day.